Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to open a business paper account and send and receive in Nigeria in 2020. So this is 2020 version. I've already done 2019. Now this is 2020 version. So all you need to do is go to paper.com/ls, then select a business account and then click continue. Like that, you have started the first step to open a verified paper account in Nigeria. So I'm going to input my website. I'm coming 24funds.com. So continue and input your desired password. Continue. Then you are going to fill all this thing with your real name. Please don't use fake details, it might implicate you. So let me use Excite choice here. So this business number, we're going to use Nigeria one. So go here and use normal Nigerian phone number. So I'm going to get a phone number now. Coming. Oh, I need to wait. So you are going to input your phone number here, your address. So I use my normal address and everything here is normal. Then all you need to do is agree and continue. So business type, so you can select individual, not applicable, product or service. Let me pick digital. Digital goods application again. Digital goods application. Well, maybe you choose another thing like marketing. Okay. Marketing. Direct marketing, marketer, something like that. Okay, let me choose personal service and choose continue. So date of birth, identity, I'm going to use my normal identity, which is my national ID. Everything is the same, use the same as home address. So date, amount, 15, month, March, 1997. Don't tell me you are older than me or else you want to get it. So you are going to change your nationality to Nigeria. Okay, as I said, you are open a fake paper here, you are open a real paper here. So please use your real details here, please use your real details here. Okay, so as you can see, I've input my national ID, so I'm going to click on submit here. Let's see. So welcome, my paper account have already been opened successfully. So what else now is to verify it, and there is two ways you can verify your paper account. One is to use a beta, and if you are watching this video for the first time, maybe subscribe to my channel, open on the notification bell. You don't want to miss another exciting episode of Trick and Trips on Lakeside Nation. Well, this is one of the best channels so far on YouTube channel as far as I'm concerned. So best thing, I'm going to use my GTB card now. You can use your Visa card, you can use your maybe your MasterCard, or get a account for your partner. So if you need any help, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My number and my contact details and inside the description below. So now what is for me now to verify my accounts. So let me go here, like business settings, something like that. This is a new active paper and I'm happy. I've already have a new paper before, so and I get a lot of money sent and receive a lot. So maybe you should check it out. So as I can see so far, this is my paper, and you see total amount I withdraw. It's not limited. This is a new verified paper account that I'm talking about, and you can see this one is withdraw to card. And if you are looking for a way to withdraw your PayPal fund into your Nigeria bank account, then maybe you want to contact me and know how we solve these things. So let's continue to the new paper you just opened. Freaky. Yes, as we just open our freaky account, freaky Facebook, sorry, freaky paper account. Now all you need to do now is to verify our account. So let me see, has anything pop up about account verification? Let me see your profile, account settings. Maybe you can verify this paper. Can't, please wait. Hey, you people shouldn't see my anything. So I'm going to close here. Account settings. Let's see, money bank cards. Okay, all you need to do is to go to settings and click on account settings. Then you can link a new card, which is the best way for you to verify your PayPal account. So the best I'm going to tell you is the first thing is about the Bata card. So I'm going to log in on Bata now. So get Bata. Okay, let's see. Okay, Flutter, Bata. Okay, this is Flutter.com. So I'm going to log in into my Bata accounts now. So as you can see, this is my Bata account, and this is how you receive for verifying other doing something like that. Okay, as you can see, this is the last account I just verified using this Bata account. So are you now enjoying this? Are you guys enjoying this video? So make sure you continue watching, and please share this video to your friends, and please don't pay for anyone to help you open for PayPal account. But if you come to me for help about this PayPal account, I'm going to collect a small token. So as you can continue, let's continue now. So go on card. After you upload your Bata account, you can go to card and create a new card. So I think the rate of dollar now is so high, so I don't need to create a card since I have a MasterCard collected from GTB, and also a card collected from Bata. So I'm going to input my normal card as you see. So are you guys enjoying? So I'm going to select type of my card as MasterCard. So let me go and get my MasterCard and input those things. So I'm going to input my card number now. So make sure you keep watching. I love this cook. You can't see it, right? Let's just continue watching. So I'm going to pause this game now. So I just deposit into my phone Bata account. So I'm trying to deposit again because this is the first time I deposit. Make sure you have like 3,000 in your account. So continue after you have opened your Bata account successfully. So to pop up, then you can choose your bank. This is so stressful, bro. Let me redo this thing. I need to redo this thing. So fund 1,000 naira. So I'm going with my bank using USSD. I'm using GT Bank. The number will pop up. So I'm now input the number now. You see. Then I'll be asked to input my reference code, which is here. So 7338. Send. So I'll be told to input my something like that, my password. Then 1,000 error will detected. Oh, error, I forgot. So I have to do it again. That's 73 star 51 star 0000. So just make sure you just follow all the instructions and nothing will go wrong. I think there's a problem with this, but I can't need to do this thing again. Yes, I'm trying to cancel this payment and redo it again. As we do for now. So I've input my details and this thing just load itself and tell me it automatically successful. So let's wait and see the magic of what this USSD can do. So let's wait to it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. As you can see, now I have loaded my beta account successfully. So all we need to do is to create a card. Now I'm going to create a new card. So let me input like $5 and create on continue and creating a new card. If I can't create this card now, I'm going to cost these people. So a ClickBank was created for me. I won't worry. So now let's go and verify our paper accounts. Don't use your paper account yet, just make sure you verify it. So I'm going to link a new card now. So now the pattern that I created before on beta account, you have to use it now. So I'm going to pause the video and input. After I input those videos and I press enter, then everything. So as you can see, you link your Visa card and then I'm going to click on done. So as you can see, it's on verify. So next thing I need to do is to verify this card now. After you click on edit and click on confirm your card, now a code will be sent into your card and a fee of $1 to $195 will be charged from your card. So you get what I'm trying to say here. So click on get this code. So the code is on the way and I'm going to click on done. So as you can see, I'm going to click on here enter to confirm your card. So from one digit code, go back to your beta, you will see a notification. So let's go back to our beta. So there's one notification here. I'm waiting for that notification to come. Okay, here is it. This for code, just copy it. As you can see, this is only way, is the easy way to create let's just see 4231 4231 4231 4231, then confirm. Let's see the magic. No, there is magic. So then that means your prepaid card has been confirmed successfully. Please note you can withdraw to this virtual paper virtual card. So this card is just for you to get your paper verified, and you can use the this card to buy things online from Jumia, Netflix, Amazon, and any other thing. So I'm going to click on done. Now we have successfully created a paper account that can send, also that can receive in Nigeria. So what I'm going to do now is to credit this account and see how this thing works. So I've already logged into my paper before. I'm going to send money. I click on send money. Okay, send money. This is a paper Lesotho 2. So what is our username? It's 24 for something like that. Let me go to my account access to see account preference. Why is my damn mail, for Christ's sake? Okay, this is my mail. I need to copy this and paste it here. So I'm just going to send $5 to this account. Let's see. Let's see. Send payments. Now I hope there's nothing wrong with this paper. So as you can see, $5 to this. As you can see, it can receive and send everywhere and anywhere in the world. Let's see the total amount this thing receive. I pray they won't do some prep charges on this. Oh, they just deduct my money. So as you can see, this is a paper account that sent and received in Nigeria. So thank you for watching this video for the first time. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. What I'm normally doing on this channel is tips and tricks about online business, how you can get your money without hanging. And also if you want to know about more on how to withdraw your paper fund, directly into your bank account, there is a link in the description below. You can contact me. I've listed my contact details in the description below. You can use that to contact me. So make sure you share this video, and please don't forget to like and share, comment. Please let me know your mind. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day.